dear second standard students, welcome to another video. Today we are going to study social studies. Okay, I hope you all are studying at home, all are doing well. We have studied a chapter before. One chapter we have finished. Today we are going to continue the same textbook, second chapter. First chapter, do you remember the name of the first chapter? First chapter का नाम क्या था? All human, their life. I hope you all understood all about the chapter. Now let's go to the second chapter. We are going to study the second chapter. This is the second chapter. Okay. So what is the name? Can you read the name of the second chapter? Just try. Let's see. Can you read it or not? Okay, I will read it for you. The name of the second chapter is Keeping Our Body Healthy. Keeping our body healthy. Okay. About your body, you have studied from your nursery LKG class, is it? LKG class से आपका body के बारे में आप लोग पढ़ रहा है, is it? Oh, you are studying all about your body part, the name of the body part, the functions of the body part. Oh, you know all of these things. ये सारे चीज आप लोगों को पता है. आप लोग का शरीर में कितना बॉडी पार्ट है, वो बॉडी पार्ट क्या क्या करता है, बॉडी पार्ट्स का नाम क्या है, ये सब आप लोग को याद है. Is it? Now we are in second standard. You have to study little bit more about that. अभी आप लोग सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड में है, उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा पढ़ना है, उसके अधिक थोड़ा ज्यादा आपको पढ़ना है. Now the chapter name. चैप्टर का नाम क्या बताए थे? The name of the chapter is Keeping Our Body Healthy. Healthy का मीनिंग क्या है? स्वस्थ रखना. Keeping our body healthy. Keeping मतलब रखना. Our मतलब हमारा. Body मतलब शरीर. Healthy मतलब स्वस्थ. So हमारा शरीर स्वस्थ रखना है. So what do you have to do to keep our body healthy? Every one of you want to be healthy, is it? किसी को ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता कि बीमार पड़ना. ओके, सब लोग दौड़ते हैं, सब लोग ठीक है हम एक ही जगह पर बैठे, अच्छा लगता है? अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. तो यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू हैव टू बी हेल्थी. टू बी हेल्थी व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? हम लोग क्या करना है to be healthy? Okay, we are going to study that in this class. Okay, here is some of the fruits, milk, vegetables, meat, some many things are given here. So for what it is given, we will study. Okay, so we should keep our body healthy and clean. हमारा शरीर है, so उसको हम लोग क्या करना है? हेल्थी रखना है और क्लीन रखना है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्लीन? साफ रखना है, स्वस्थ रखना है एंड साफ भी रखना है, साफ सुथरा रखना है. सो हम हु विल टेक केयर ऑफ आवर बॉडी? हु विल टेक केयर? हमारा शरीर का ख्याल कौन रखेगा? We think that so okay, mommy has to give you bath and papa has to give you dress. Okay, so all those things we are doing. So but our body, who will keep our body clean? Who will keep our body healthy? So we have a responsibility to keep our body healthy and clean. हमारा responsibility है हमारा शरीर को स्वस्थ और साफ रखना. Is it? So we should keep our body healthy and clean. कैसा रखना है? हेल्थी रखना और क्लीन रखना. We need to take care of it. So we have to take care of our body. हमारा शरीर का बारे में हम लोग ख्याल रखना है. Okay, simply we are eating something. Okay, whatever we get, we eat. What the dress we get, we are wearing and we are cleaning. हम लोग जो मिलता है खाता है, जो कपड़ा मिलता है वो पहनता है, जो जहाँ हम सोना सब सोता है, हम नींद आता है सब सोता है, नींद नहीं आएगा तो नहीं सोएंगे. टीवी देखने का मन रहेगा तो दिन भर टीवी देखेंगे, रात भर टीवी देखेंगे. इफ यू डू सच अ थिंग्स योर बॉडी भी हेल्थी. ऐसा आप लोग करेगा तो आपका शरीर हेल्थी रहेगा? नहीं रहेगा. वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ गुड केयर ऑफ आवर बॉडी. Okay, we need to take good care of our body. Now we must have some good habits. To take care of our body, what do you need? We need some good habits. Habit means आदत. Good habit means अच्छे आदत. So to keep our body healthy, or to take care, proper care of your body, we need some good habit. हमको क्या चाहिए? कुछ अच्छा आदत चाहिए. अच्छा आदत होगा तो हम ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा शरीर को ख्याल करेंगे. So what are the good habits we need? We should eat healthy food. क्या खाना खाना है? Healthy food. Okay. So what would you prefer to eat? We mostly prefer to eat say some chocolates, ice cream, such things. We are very interested and we feel it is very tasty to our tongue. Is it? But no, we have to eat some of the good things. We have to eat some of the healthy food items. Okay, what are the healthy food items? Okay, here are the some of the pictures given here. Okay, pictures given here. So let's see what are the pictures here. Okay, here some of the pictures: carrot, potato, tomato, vegetables. So many different types of vegetables are there. Will you eat carrot? Huh? Okay, different types of vegetables are there. So will you like to eat carrot, beetroot, then tomato? So some of the vegetables are so healthy, so good for our health. So we need to eat vegetables. I know many of you don't like to eat vegetable. Is it? So many of the children will not like to eat vegetable. If you get a sabji, what will you do? If you get a curry, what will you do? You will take only the gravy and then you will keep apart all the vegetables. इसे क्या करेंगे? अगर आप लोगों के हाथ में सब्जी मिलेगा तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे क्या करेंगे? उसका अंदर का रस जो है वो रस लेंगे और जो वेजिटेबल सब्जियां अंदर है उसको अलग कर देंगे, नहीं खाएंगे. बट द मेन इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर इन द वेजिटेबल. सो वी नीड टू ईट कैरेट, बीटरूट, देन okay, we need to eat carrots, beetroots, then such as so many vegetables are there. What are the vegetables available in your market? We must eat them. Okay, and spinach also. Spinach also you have to साग items क्या करना है? खाना है. वो सब आपका शरीर को हेल्थी रखेगा. And then here is fruits given. Some of the fruits are given. Grapes are given here. Apple, banana. So what are the fruits available for you? You have to eat them. Okay. So you must include the fruits also in your food items. I hope you like fruits. Okay. Then milk. How many of you like milk? Many students do not like milk. Okay, so for parents has to force them to drink the milk, or they have to scold them to drink the milk. So milk is a very good, and this is a complete food. If you get, you must drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. You must drink 2 glasses of milk every day. So because milk is a very good, and paneer also. Then cereals, nuts means like badam, peanut, cashew nut, all those nuts. मतलब काजू, बादाम, मूंगफली, ये सब बहुत हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. वो सब आप लोग जरूर खाना है. Then dal items, different types of dal. Okay, different types of dal, not only one type of dal. Different types of dal are available in our market and even in our houses. So we have to eat it, and at the same time we have to eat egg we must eat. Then chicken means flesh items. You can eat chicken, mutton, everything. Then fish also. So all these should be included in your food items. That means every day you eat dal roti. That may not give you all the proteins you needed to your body, all the nutrients you needed to your body. So you have to eat every one of them. That then you can get a balanced diet. You can call that you are in a balanced diet. So you need to eat every food items whatever needed to your body. आइसक्रीम का बहुत ज्यादा आइसक्रीम खाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. स्वीट्स खाने से, केक खाने से, what else then we eat Bigo, laces. So it may not give you any health. उसमें से आप लोग को कुछ नहीं रहेगा, आपको पेट, आपको फील होगा कि पेट भर गया है, बट इट्स नॉट सो। क्या है, ये सब छोड़कर अच्छा खाना जो घर का अंदर मिल रहा है वो खाना खाना है। बाहर का खाना इतना अच्छा नहीं है, बाहर जंक फूड नहीं खाना है, उससे आपका शरीर हेल्थी नहीं होगा। डोंट ईट जंक फूड, इट will not make you healthy. So you have to eat, include vegetables in your food items. You need to include fruits in your food, cereals in your food, dal in your food, then milk, nuts, egg, fish, chicken, all these things to your food. We should eat a healthy food, and we should exercise to keep ourselves fit and healthy. We have to eat good food, and the next what you have to do, we need to exercise. See, some of the exercises are given here. Okay, some of the exercises are yoga, doing yoga, dancing is an exercise, running is an exercise, swimming is an exercise, playing also is an exercise. So, okay, you ate all these things. Okay, खाना अच्छे से खाया है, एक जगह पे बैठ कर टीवी देख रहा है, नहीं तो एक जगह बैठे बैठे खेल रहा है. Will you be healthy? You will not be healthy. So eat enough food for your body and do enough exercises. Okay, exercises means that doesn't mean that you have to do morning and evening the same exercise. No, yoga is an exercise, you can do it. Dancing is an exercise, you can enjoy and do it. Enjoy भी कर सकता है, exercise भी होगा उसका साथ. Running is also an exercise. Then swimming is a practice and it's an exercise. Playing football, cricket, all these things are also play, run and play. That is an exercise. So you have to do exercise. You have to eat good food at the same time. क्या करना है, एक्सरसाइज भी करना है, खाना अच्छे से खाना है, उसी समय एक्सरसाइज भी अच्छे से करना है. और we should take proper rest. क्या है, proper rest लेना है, सही समय पर सोना है, सही समय पर उठना है. So कितना समय सोना है पता है? अभी nowadays you are getting so much time at your home. Sometimes some of you look at the TV at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock when you will sleep. So कितना time सोना? Our body needs at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep every day. हर रोज कितना घंटे सोना है? 8 घंटे से 10 घंटे तक सोना है. इतना समय तो सोना है. That means sleep early. If you can sleep at 8 o'clock, sleep at 8 o'clock, wake up at 6 o'clock. At least 8 to 10 hours of sleeping you must get. Then only you can be healthy. So अच्छा खाना खाया, एक्सरसाइज भी किया, सही समय पर नहीं सोया, सही टाइम में नहीं सोया तो आप एक्सरसाइज करके खाना खा के कोई फायदा नहीं है. No use of doing all these things. What you will have to do, you have to take proper rest. That means 8 to 10 hours you must sleep every day. Okay, I hope you understood all these things. ये सब आपको समझ में आया, लग रहा है कि आपको समझ में आया. Let's go for a recall. Okay, let's. Okay, our chapter name is keeping our body healthy. To be healthy, what you have to do? We should keep our body healthy and clean. हमारा शरीर clean रखना है और healthy भी रखना है. We need to take good care of it. To be healthy, what you need to do? We need to take good care of our health. And we must have some good habit. हमको क्या चाहिए? अच्छी आदत चाहिए हमारे शरीर healthy रखने के लिए. We should eat healthy food. So we should not eat junk food. We should not eat so many chocolate, toffees and all. That will not make you healthy. We should eat healthy food. Healthy food includes vegetables, fruits, cereals, dal, milk, egg, meat, fish, such as. Okay. And we should exercise to keep ourselves fit and healthy. To keep our body fit and healthy, what you need to do? We need to exercise. Okay, next one. We should take proper rest. Okay, proper rest लेना है, शरीर को rest करना है. So proper rest means you must sleep 8 to 10 hours every day. That will make you very healthy. I hope you understood this chapter from the first to the half part. Okay, now let's wind up here. We will continue this chapter, the second part of this chapter, in the next video. Till then, study well. Note down all these points in your notebook and try to memorize them as much as you can. Not all of them, as much as you can. You try and memorize them. That may be very easy for your further studies. Okay, take care of yourself. Study well. Thank you for watching me. We will meet in the next video.